you need to go to wsa.wikidot.com, find photography and video, and click book a studio. Select the studio you want. In this case I'm gonna choose the photo studios, but before you click, please look at the terms and conditions, including the new COVID precautions, and I need to point out that an induction is required before you can book the facilities. So click on the studio, and if you scroll down you can see a calendar. Decide on when you want to use the studio, 1 or 2, and make sure that there's no bookings already there. In this case I want to select Thursday the 15th of October. Type in your university email. It must be a university email at Sutton, etc. Put in your telephone number. The date you require, 15/10 in this case. Studio 1 or 2. Time slot you require, morning or afternoon currently. Type in your name so I know who you are, how many people will be attending, 3 maximum in each studio, and your background color choices. One of these needs to be white. Tick the box to confirm you've received an induction and understand the terms and conditions, and send. Wait for the form to be sent, and then you will receive an email letting you know that your booking has been made. Thank you.